Hey everyone, and welcome back to this build. This is the differential we just showed in the last video that was unpainted. Just a really clean restoration of the finish. And we're going to go ahead and we're on our second round of setup here. We're going to see how it goes. Stay tuned. Alright, we've got the backlash adjusted. We're at 3000s here. And it's consistent, so now we're going to go ahead and weight up the gear and see what we got. Good job, kitty. Oh, what a good kitty. Well, we definitely got some work to do here. Meh, not great. Stand by. Thing around a few times. It will work. All right, here we go again. Let's see what we got here now. Now we're talking. Much better. Now we have full contact. Yeah, much better. Alright, we're good now. Alright, let me get it taken apart and set it up for the distance piece to be set. Last time in the arbor press for this one. Go right on the money. Perfect. All right, let's set that carrier up now. Right. We have final setup here now. Here's our backlash. 3000. Beautiful, perfect gear-to-gear pattern. There's our cover. That putty mod decal looking good. Our new seals, hardware restored, clips. All right, we're going to go ahead and get this thing buttoned up, put the clips back on, check the torque on the bearing cap bolts one last time, and then get this cover on. Don't take much. That's your seal. Any more than that, you'll have trouble. We are all buttoned up, cover is on, axle seals are in place. getting ready to set these crush washers next. Copper on the fill, aluminum on the drain. Just a slight amount of torque on this just to keep it from coming off before it can be filled. This one I've already snugged into place. Waiting on the stub axles to be finished. I'm not done with them yet, so this won't get completed till tomorrow morning with the stub axles. But anyway, it's done for the most part. Shop Kitty. Ignoring me, Shop Kitty. You ignoring me? What you doing, Shop Kitty? Oh, Shop Kitty. Anyway. Stub axles tomorrow in the morning. Once they're finished the process of restoration. And this one is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and get that Miata job back on the bench.